Good afternoon. I'm happy to be here. But now Waziri Nyakweba has said everything I wanted to say. Few things remaining. First, I want to encourage you to be testing your cancer. Cancer is not death. Don't get scared. When you get treated, you are healed. When you don't be checked, that's the time you suffer. And don't take it to be a secret. Share with people. We can always give you ideas and help. I want to thank Mheshimiwa Beatrice to bring me here. It's the first time for me to be here. And I'm happy to see all of you here. And also receiving the greetings from the governor. He could have wished to be here, but he had to flag off the medicine at KTRH. But he has promised he will try his best to improve the health. Another thing as Mheshimiwa Beatrice promised, I'm requesting the CEC and the Chief Officer. The facilities, they need good infrastructure. And please also, we can discuss and see how we can come up with a program of giving nurses to the girls or ladies who give back. Anything you want, we will try our best to deliver.